Hiya guys, today I'll be showing you the simple knit stitch. I've already cast on 10 stitches onto this needle here, just using the HiyaHiya 10mm interchangeable bamboo tips as rather large so it'll make it clearer what I'm doing. So you want your needle with your yarn and cast on your left hand. The yarn you intend to be using in your right hand. Usually keep this between my fingers. So pop your right needle through the first loop and have it sticking out the back. Take the yarn, wrap it around the top of the right needle, in between both of them, pull it down, pull your needle out, almost scraping along the side of the other needle to create a loop, and then slowly pull that off the end there, and you've got your first knit stitch. So again, take your right hand needle, slide it through the loop and out the back the other side, like so. Now take your yarn, wrap it around the right needle, scrape that needle in between and out, and pull that yarn off the left hand needle. So effectively you're creating a new row that has moved your stitches from the left needle to the right needle. Once again, out the back, round the top in between the needles, pull the loop out the front, pull off the end, you've got a stitch. Once you get a hold of this, it's pretty easy to go. It's the beginning of every knitting project you have is a simple knit stitch. So around the back, through and out. And as you go you'll be pulling the stitches further down the needle so you don't lose them off the end. And that is a row of knitted. I'm just going to speed it up a little bit here so you can see what a couple of rows of knit stitch looks like, as this is referred to as Garter Stitch. This is when you knit every row and it creates lines horizontally going across and gives it a more of a chunky feel as opposed to other stitches to create different effects. This one is the most basic one that you can learn. I've got more tutorials coming up. Have fun knitting with this. Let me know anything you make, even if it's just a tiny little scarf or how it goes. Tag us in. Until next time, happy knitting.